Hello there, welcome to Cyber Learning. In this video, I will show you how you can reset your Roblox password without email. So let's start the video. So here I am on the Roblox website. If you scroll all the way down, here you see the option Help. Click on it. If I scroll down, here you see the option Roblox account. So yes, we need help with our account. And now simply go to I forgot my password. Click on it. And then again the new tab will open. Click on the first link here. And now it is asking you to forget password, so you need to enter your email. But now you see the option use phone number to reset password. So click on it and now you need to enter your phone number here. Once you enter your phone number here, then simply click on submit. And now they will send you 6-digit code on your phone number. So just simply enter that code here and click on verify. And then you will be able to reset your Roblox password. This is it for today's video. I hope this content helped you. Subscribe to Cyber Learning and thanks you for watching. Bye.